To return an item you've bought on Amazon, first go to Amazon.com and click the Returns and Orders button. This will take you to your Orders page, which shows you items you've purchased recently. Most items can be returned within 30 days of purchase. For some items sold through an Amazon seller, you'll need to click the Submit Return Request button. Then the Amazon seller will review your request before issuing a refund or a replacement. Go to the order you'd like to return and click the Return or Replace Items button. Next, you'll be asked which items you'd like to return from a list of eligible items. After selecting an item, you'll see a drop-down asking you to choose the reason for the refund. When you're done, click Continue. Next, you'll select whether you'd like a refund or a replacement. Then you'll choose how you'd like the money refunded. It can either be sent to the card you used to purchase the item or in the form of Amazon credit. Now choose how you'd like to return the item. There are a couple options. You can return the item using drop-off locations. First, select from several nearby drop-off spots like your local Amazon store, Kohl's, or UPS. Options will vary depending on where you live. Then, a QR code will be sent to your email. To return the item, bring it to the selected drop-off location and present your QR code along with the item. If you select this option, you can return your item without packing it up or printing a return label. The refund will begin processing the moment the QR code is scanned. You can process the return without leaving your house if you select the UPS pickup return method. With this option, you'll select a time frame for UPS to come and pick up your return. You'll need to package the item, and a UPS delivery person will bring the label for the package. Once the item is scanned by UPS, your return will begin processing.